Amsterdam title. Entering first, being accompanied by Jason So Amazing. Big Guns.
Indeed he has.
Not bad.
Hello.
Why you all in my ear? Talking a whole bunch of shit that I ain't trying to hear. Get back, motherfucker, you don't know me like that. Get back, motherfucker.
And his opponent, representing the Eclipse Solution, being accompanied by the world champ of
Niggas, blood niggas, that's
Rocco,
Asian, Dominicans, Puerto Rican, white boys, Jamaicans, Latin kings, disciple, vice lord, stations. All these motherfuckers been patiently waiting since the West Coast fell off. The streets been watching, the West Coast never fell off. I was sleeping Compton, aftermath been here. The beats been knocking, they dog doing this thing, BPG's.
At the last event of 2004, Big Guns actually beat Rocco Crusher.
The ref's in the match, so we need a ref, huh?
Yo, camera lady, we need a ref.
Alright, we'll get this dude a ref.
Take out his ref.
Not wrong.
Hugging the slam.
One fall.
Yeah, let's go. Come on, Guns beat Rocco before. You know what's gonna happen again. Oh, that white glove to the head. Oh, Guns bumps. Guns, come on, man.
Rocco, don't kill him. He's only a little guy.
Oh, come on, Big Guns.
Guns. I thought your guns were bigger than this. Come on.
Oh! Big Guns nails a killer spear on Rocco. How do you like that move, Rocco? I didn't feel too good when you did it to me. The spear.
Come on, Rocco.
Yeah, come on, Big Guns. You show him how it is.
Maybe you underestimate him a little bit. Come on, get up.
You need that Amsterdam title, son. You beat him before. You can do it again. Suplex. Oh, suplex executed.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
Come on, Guns.
Bet you couldn't do that to me.
Oh, body
Illegal
slam.
finger touching to the butthole. Come on. We got a gay wrestler. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, you tell him, Guns. Tell him. Powerbomb him. Oh, he got kicked in the face. Hurricane Rana from a sitting position.
Oh, we got him.
No!
He's not gonna be able to do it.
Oh, crap. Oh, come on, Guns. Oh, he still got it. Still nailed it.
Ooh.
That's the squad right there. You tell him how it is, Guns.
No, he's not.
Oh, he powerbombed him that time.
See, that's not nice.
Isn't that illegal, Jason?
Yeah.
Ref, ain't that illegal?
It can be in certain countries.
I think the ref does.
Oh! No! What's he gonna do? Oh! 1, 2, damn it! Come on, Guns!
That was a close one. Come on, Rocco.
He landed on top of himself. 1,
Crazy Kid ain't got nothing on Guns.
Come on, man, get up.
3,
Oh!
4.
Come on, get
I don't have
up.
hair.
Damn it.
I look like you. I can't be your girl.
Come on, outside DDT. Oh, damn it!
Why you gotta do mean things like that?
1, 2, 3.
Boo! Did you see that crap?
Crip niggas, blood niggas, that's
Oh!
Asian,
Yes!
Dominicans,
It's K-Rod! I ain't holding their belt. Hold that, son. Oh! Modified Trapper Keeper. You showed him how it goes.
The world's most dangerous.
on the sideline.
Hey, how did that feel?
I'll take it when I need to.
Hardcore champ in the house. Following contest is scheduled for one fall. Coming out first,